Hello there, precious friends. My name's Thaeda, and I am here to be helpful, to be a healer, and to be useful to the divine. How did I get here? A long time ago, when I was just a little thing, I remember being in my parents' front yard, and I was playing hide and seek. I was playing hide and seek with Jesus, and that did not seem unusual to me. That seemed perfectly normal and quite a delight, actually. I don't remember who won. I do remember my whole life being connected to spirit and knowing that I wanted to be useful to spirit. And throughout my adult life, I've chosen various jobs and studies and paths that have led me to where I am today. I studied psychology. I got a PhD in counseling. I have worked in mental health. I have worked as a shamanic practitioner and doing shamanic healing. And more recently, the great goodness has inspired me to work in the area of angelic healing, energy healing, through accessing the angels and archangels. And that's what I do now. We are in a time where so many people are struggling and asking big questions, wondering, why am I here? What's my life about? And those questions for sure have been asked over the centuries. It seems, though, now the questions are becoming more urgent as our circumstances here in the US and around the world become more intense. And I want to be a part of the process of bringing healing and ease and love. And this is how I've been guided to do it. What do? I am a soul protector. We used to use the word exorcism, and the angels have said that's not the word they use. They call us soul protectors. So I work in soul protection and soul restoration. And if you're unsure what the difference between those two things is, there's a video on that. Mostly, I just wanted to take the opportunity to introduce myself and to let you know why I'm here. I believe we are all love with a capital L. I believe what Ram Dass said is true. We are all God in drag. And we each have the opportunity to be healers, to be helpers, if we choose it. And some people do it in different ways. This is the way that I choose to do it. I'm so glad that you're here. I hope that you'll check out the videos that I have here. If you feel called to, by all means, reach out to me on my website and subscribe to my channel, maybe share my channel with somebody who you think might benefit from the information that's provided here. I'm so glad that you landed here. I don't believe it was an accident, and I wish you peace